everyone. Let's crack 9th and 10th CBSE with India's largest learning platform Unacademy. Crack all the CBSE exams with us. All the top educators are going to teach you the quality content and you are going to have a great learning experience. So hello my dear scholars, I am J. Vijay Manorama. As teaching is my passion, I am here. You can find more about me at the rate of Manuvedam 7472. Okay, so let's crack 10 CBSE by using the referral code VMCBSE. Okay, here it is a super short introduction about me. As teaching is my passion, I have done my B.Ed after finishing my BSc. I have more than 5 years of teaching experience. As I like to inspire students to set their goals and achieve that, I have mentored many students for NTSC and CBSE board examinations. So crack all the CBSE exams with India's largest learning platform. For that you need to take the Plus subscription so that you will get unlimited access of all the live and recorded classes which are designed by all the India's best of the best educators. So बहुत सारा benefits हैं अगर आप Plus का subscription लेंगे तो उसमें से कुछ very strong benefits मैं आपको बताने जा रही हूँ after taking the subscription. So first thing is daily live classes you have. Daily live classes, you can chat with the educators, you can engage in the discussions, you can ask your doubts, you can answer in polls, all while the class is going on only you can do this. So next one is structured courses. These structured courses were designed in such a manner that it will be very much useful for your examination syllabus. Next one is live tests and quizzes which will evaluate your preparation with regular mock tests and quizzes which will give a detailed analysis of your performance. Okay, next one is unlimited access with one subscription. All subjects with one subscription you can get. Only the thing is your internet signal should be very strong. Okay, your internet signal should be very strong. Okay, so here we have class 9, 10, 11, 12 का सब्सक्रिप्शन है. मेरा कोड आप लोग यूज़ करोगे मुझे तो ये पता है. तो अगर जब मेरा कोड यूज़ करोगे तो मेरा तो काम है. आई विल गिव यू अ 10% ऑफ रिडक्शन एज गिफ्ट. आई विल गिव यू. ओके, सो दैट then 1 month course will be of 2250 rupees. 6 months course it will be of 9000 rupees. 12 months course it will be of 13500 rupees. Okay, 24 months will be of 22500 rupees. 36 months it will be of 28800 rupees. Because with a very low amount आपको सारे सब्जेक्ट्स की पढ़ाई हो जाएगी. ओके, बहुत ही अच्छा बेस्ट ऑफ द बेस्ट ऑप्शन है ये सारे. सो जस्ट गो फॉर इट बाय यूजिंग माय रेफरल कोड VMPSC. ओके, सो इस बंदे ने मेरा कोड यूज़ किया और अभी इसके सारे जितने भी डाउट्स हैं, सारे कंसेप्ट्स हैं इसके क्लियर हो गए हैं सारे सब्जेक्ट्स के. अभी ये अपनी हैप्पी रिविजन शुरू किया. फर्स्ट सेट ऑफ रिविजन ही स्टार्टेड डूइंग so that whatever the concepts doubts are there, that will also be clear. So daily live classes with all the top educators. Here few of the top educators are these. Okay, we have the comprehensive syllabus of mathematics, social science, Hindi, English and science, which is included with physics, chemistry and bio. Okay, in special classes I am teaching physics, chemistry and bio all. So Quest 10 CBSE in the Telegram app you will get all the updates, or else let's crack 9th and CBSE. Let's crack 9th and 10th CBSE में भी आपको सारे सब्जेक्ट्स के अपडेट्स आपको मिलते रहेंगे. ओके, तो अनअकैडमी ऐप आप लोग को फर्स्ट डाउनलोड करना है. इंस्टॉल करने के बाद आपको गोल फॉर CBSE क्लास 10th करना है. इसके बाद टेक सब्सक्रिप्शन बाय यूजिंग द रेफरल कोड VMCBSE. ओके, सो बहुत सारे बच्चे पूछ रहे थे कि न्यूमेरिकल्स के बारे में, इसलिए 4 days these 4 days I am taking for the revision of electricity and light numericals. Okay, we'll do. So as the 30% of syllabus is reduced, when this 30% of syllabus is reduced, so in physics these two chapters got more importance in the numericals as the defects of vision wala topic रिड्यूस हो गया, डिफेक्ट्स ऑफ विजन रिड्यूस हो गया। तो न्यूमेरिकल्स कहाँ से देंगे? इन दोनों चैप्टर्स का न्यूमेरिकल्स बहुत ही स्ट्रांग हो गया। कल मैंने आपको फॉर्मूलाज बताया इसीलिए, so that whatever the theory, whatever the formulas till now we have discussed, that will be useful to solve these numericals. Okay, ये रहा फर्स्ट वाला, a 10 mm 6 only 6 numericals I am giving practice, 3 from electricity, 3 from light chapter. A 10 mm long alpine is placed vertically in front of a concave mirror. A 5 mm long pin of the alpine is formed at 30 centimeters in front of the mirror. Calculate the focal length. This is only the question, and the solution is how you will solve. Whenever you solve, you must see that what are the things given. Given अगर पहले लिख लोगे ना तो फॉर्मूला कौन सा, कॉनकेव मिरर है तो मिरर फॉर्मूला आपको यूज करना है, वो समझ जाओगे। सो क्या क्या गिवन है अगर आप देख लेंगे एक बार तो इजीली आप सॉल्व कर सकते हो। कल में हमने डिस्कस किया था साइन कन्वेंशन के बारे में भी। लेफ्ट साइड ऑल द मेजरमेंट्स विल बी नेगेटिव, राइट साइड ऑल द मेजरमेंट्स विल बी पॉजिटिव, up above the principal axis all the measurement will be negative positive, and below everything will be negative. Positive, 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 negative values. Height above the principal is positive, below the principal is negative. Okay, above everything will be positive, below everything will be negative. To everything is from pole or optical center only. To from here left side it is negative, from the pole right side it will be positive. So based on that only we have to measure the object distance, image distance and focal length. These three things only. The relation of all these three only mirror formula, no? So among these one thing they will give to find out. Okay, so here the focal length they asked to find out. So what are the things given? Height of the object is first given, HO. HO is height of the object is always positive. 10 mm is given. You have to convert this into centimeters. It will become 1 centimeter. Okay. Next, height of the image is given. Height of the image is 5.0 mm equal to 0.5 cm. Okay. So V is given minus 30 centimeters as it is real and inverted image U form. Okay, so U is not given. U is, we are taking it as U only. Focal length you need to find, which is asked there. Okay, so first magnification formula in the mirror form. What is the mirror formula? 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. यहाँ प्लस है इसलिए मैग्निफिकेशन में माइनस रहेगा। कल में हमने डिस्कस किया था m is equal to minus v by u. So here if we use m is equal to minus v by u equal to v is okay, wait, height of the image and height of the object also given now. So with that formula we will use hi by ho. Okay, is equal to 0.5 by 10. 1 actually, if you remove this it will go minus 30 by 2. Okay, so 5 2s are 10. U equal to minus 60 centimeters. Okay, so this is the mirror formula which you have to use. So 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Okay, 1 by v is minus 30 is given, 1 by u is 1 by minus 60. So what is the LCM? If you take, it will give 60 minus 2 minus 1 plus minus minus, no? So it will be minus 3 by 60 equal to minus 20 centimeters. आपका फोकल लेंथ हो गया minus 20 centimeters. Okay, hope you have understood this. practice such type of sums. How many you will get? You just practice. If you get any doubts, you ask me. I am there to discuss. So next sum is, पढ़ो एक बार question. The image of an object formed by a mirror. The image of an object formed by a mirror is real and inverted and is the magnification of -1 if the image is at the distance of 30 centimeters from the mirror. Where is the object placed? Find the position of the image. If the object is now moved to 20 centimeters towards the mirror, what is the nature of the image formed? Okay, justify your answer with the help of diagram. So this is a sample question from sample paper of 2018-19. It is the question which was given. So all the previous year papers, everything we are discussing here only, like question bank series only. This was also okay. So m equal to solution I am going to do. You also just try it. Okay. What are the things given? Given are b equal to -30. Okay, image is at a distance of, magnification is given as -1. Bus, you need to find out when the object is moved a little. So those all things during the solving only you will find out. Okay, so what is the nature of the image obtained also. So now m equal to -b by u, -1 equal to -30 by u. So u equal to -30 centimeters. Okay, so using the mirror formula, u equal to -30, then v also equal to -30 centimeters, as the magnification is -1 only. Okay, so now 1 by f equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. 1 by f equal to 1 by -30 plus 1 by -30. So solve करो, आपको कितना आएगा? f equal to -15 you will get. Solve it. So u slash, find the position of the image if the object is now moved 20 centimeters towards the mirror. What is the nature of the image obtained? So u slash equal to -10 centimeters, because this 30 minus 20 will do. Object is moving now. Okay, f equal to -15 we got it here. Okay, so 1 by f equal to 1 by u slash plus 1 by v slash. 1 by v slash equal to 1 by f minus 1 by u slash. So 1 by v slash equal to 1 by -15 minus 1 by 10. Okay, so this if you solve you will get 30 centimeters. It is plus only, not minus. So if you move also, the image distance will be 30 plus 30. This virtual and direct image will form. So as it is the concave mirror, pole F and C, focal length is 15 centimeter. Focal length is 15 centimeters. It will be little closer only. So justify your answer with the help of diagram. Here the image will form, enlarged image will form. Okay, virtual and direct and enlarged image. Which type of image? Virtual and direct and enlarged or magnified image will form. Okay, so just try it. Like these sums you need to practice a lot, because when this revised syllabus, no? So most of the numericals got lot of importance from electricity and light. Okay. An object of 4 centimeters in size is placed at a distance of 25 centimeters from a concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeters. Okay. What is the distance from the mirror? Should a screen be placed? Find the position, nature and height of the image. Okay, what are the things given? जब भी आप सॉल्यूशन करते हो पहले गिवन लिख दिया करो, अपना हैबिट बना लो ये. What are the things given? H equal to 4 centimeters, U equal to minus 25 centimeters, F equal to minus 15 centimeters. Okay, B you need to find image distance, height of the image you need to find using the mirror formulas. Concave mirror, no? Mirror formula, what is the mirror formula? जल्दी जल्दी बताओ, अभी तक 2 सम्स हमने किया ना. 1 by F equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. Okay, so that only as B we need to find 1 by V equal to 1 by F minus 1 by U equal to 1 by minus 15 minus 1 by minus 25 equal to LCM ले लो 75 minus 5 plus 3. Okay, minus 2 by 75 equal to minus 37.5 centimeters. Okay, so the screen should be placed at this much distance, then only the image can be found the same side as that of the object. So image is real and inverted image will form. Okay, that we can find out with magnification. Height of the object is given now. M is equal to Hi by Ho equal to minus V by U. Okay, Hi equal to minus V Ho by U equal to minus 37.5 into 4. 4 is the height of the object is given now. Okay, by what is U? U is minus 25. So once when you solve you will get 6 centimeters. 6 minus 6 centimeters you will get. Okay, therefore the height of the image is, size of the image is 6 centimeters. Okay, सॉल्व करो, मेरे साथ ही सॉल्व कर लिया करो. नेक्स्ट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का सम्स हैं. पढ़ो, क्वेश्चन पढ़ो. कैलकुलेट द टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ रनिंग द फॉलोइंग इलेक्ट्रिकल डिवाइसेस इन द मंथ ऑफ सेप्टेम्बर. So electricity also so many formulas we have discussed yesterday. If the rate of 1 unit of electricity is 6, electric heater of 1000 watts for 5 hours daily, electrical refrigerator of 4 hours, 400 watts for 10 hours daily. Okay, so find out solution. Sink. What are the things given? Number of days, n equal to 30. P1 equal to 1000 watts equal to 1000 by 1000 kilowatts equal to 1 kilowatt. Okay, T1 is given as 5 hours. P2 400 watts. Okay, 400 by 1000 kilowatts equal to 0.4 kilowatts. T2 कितना दिया है? 10 hours. Okay, so E1 equal to P1 into T1 into N equal to 1 into 5 into 30 days. ओके, इक्वल टू 150 किलोवाट आवर. अभी E2 भी फाइंड आउट करना है. E2 इक्वल टू P2 इंटू T2 इंटू N इक्वल टू 0.4 kilowatts into 10 into 30. Okay, for 3s are 12, 120 kilowatt hour. Okay, now find out total energy. Total energy equal to कितना आया यहाँ 150, यहाँ 150 120, 150 plus 120 equal to 270 kilowatt hour. Okay, cost of 1 unit is 6 rupees. 6 rupees दिया हुआ है ना. So total cost कितना हो गया? टोटल कॉस्ट 270 इंटू 6 कितना होगा? आंसर बताओ. ओके, 1620 रुपीज. आई बात समझ? डायरेक्ट है, डायरेक्ट सम है. ओनली द थिंग इज यू नीड टू कन्वर्ट व्हेन एवर पावर इज गिवन इन वॉट, यू नीड टू कन्वर्ट इन किलोवाट्स, so that with the units, how many units, the total cost you can find out with that, because energy we measure in kilowatt hour. Okay, next wala, this is also same like that only. The formula is an electric bulb is rated 220 watts and 220 volts and 100 watt. When it is operated on 110 volts, then the power consumed will be. Okay, solution. Write down what are the things given. V is 220 volts. Okay, P is 100 watts. Okay, now R you need to find resistance. Okay, R equal to V square by P. 220 whole square by 100 equal to 484 ohms. Okay, power consumed with the bulb, power consumed when bulb is operated at 110 volt is सॉरी, R का फॉर्मूला नहीं रहेगा. P इक्वल टू V स्क्वेयर बाई R इक्वल टू 110 इंटू 110 बाई 484. सॉल्व करो इसका, कितना आएगा? 110 है ना ये वोल्ट, सो 110 इंटू 110 बाई 484 कितना आएगा? 25 वॉट्स. ये बन गया आपका. सॉल्व करो. फॉर्मूलास मत गलत लिखो, फॉर्मूला सही लिखोगे तभी आपका आंसर ठीक से आएगा. कैलकुलेशंस, इजी कैलकुलेशंस. ओके, नेक्स्ट. Two conducting wires of same materials and of equal lengths and equal diameters are first connected in series, then in parallel in a circuit across the same potential difference. The ratio of heat produced in series and parallel combinations would be. Okay, since both the materials are made up of same materials and have equal lengths and equal diameters, they have the same resistance. same resistance. Okay, when they are connected in series, RS equal to R plus R equal to 2R. Okay, when they are connected in parallel, okay, 1 by Rp equal to 1 by R plus 1 by R. 2 by R equal to Rp equal to R by 2. When ratio, you will take ratio Hs by Hp equal to V square by Rs by V square by Rp equal to Rp by Rs, okay, equal to R by 2 by 2R equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is the ratio. Okay, with this I want to end the session. आप लोगों ने अनअकैडमी ऐप डाउनलोड कर लिया तो सब्सक्रिप्शन के लिए VMCBSE यूज़ करो, नहीं इंस्टॉल किया तो इंस्टॉल करो और VMCBSE यूज़ करो. अगर इंस्टॉल कर लिया तो VMCBSE यूज़ करके सब्सक्रिप्शन ले लो. Okay, then 1 month will be of 2,250, 6 months will be of 9,000 rupees, 12 months will be of 13,500, 24 months will be of 22,500, 36 months will be of 28,800 rupees. So these are the best of the best options हैं, यूज़ कर लो, बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. VMCBSE को यूज़ करना मत भूलना. Okay, use my code VMCBSE for taking the subscription. Okay, 2 PM को 7 PM को क्लास रहेगा, जरूर ज्वाइन हो जाना. ओके, लेट्स क्रैक 9th and 10th CBSE को सब्सक्राइब करो. थैंक यू वन एंड ऑल. बाय बाय, टेक केयर.